Hello guys, this is your girl Prissy B coming at you with another tutorial. This tutorial is solely about how to get this soft beat look with the dramatic lips. And if you guys are interested to know what I use and how to achieve this look, just keep on watching and let the video play.
You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. XO, XO. Sitting here wondering where and how to begin. Do I start with love and grace and how you are my closest friend? It'll take a million years just to tell of all you've done. So I'm writing this song just to sing love to your heart. Let me count the ways that I love you. From the start to end, you always true. You are beautiful, and every time I see your love, I'm confident in who you are. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. You're my XO, XO. Ooh, amazing, breathtaking, anchor of my soul. You got me locked down and surrounded, never to let me go. Lifting me higher and higher. I'm lost in your love. You've done for me, set me free. A beautiful exchange. Let me count the ways that I love you. From the start to end, oh, you always true. You are beautiful. Every time I see your love, I'm confident in who you're. My XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. You're my XO, XO. I love the way that you love me. Appreciate the way you see me. Look beyond my faults, placed your love at first. Call me enough, enough, yeah. I love the way that you love me. Appreciate the way you see me. Looked beyond my faults, placed your love at first. Call me enough, enough, Jesus. Jesus, you're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. Jesus, you're my XO, XO. Jesus, you're my XO, XO. You're my XO, XO. Falling in love with you, growing in love with you. Jesus, you're my XO, XO. Met a man once who tried to tell me that I didn't have enough experience. Tried to tell me that I wasn't qualified to talk about God and His love. Made it seem like just because I was young, my words had no weight. So He sent me off, told me to live more and come back when I was to say it, but I gotta say it. I don't always like what I see when I look into the mirror. It's hard to see the destiny riding in the middle of a storm. With trouble on one side, looking at this weather, I don't see how these broken pieces measure to the treasure inside, beaten by the waves of life. And there is a voice inside that's telling me to hold on, be strong. Lay your head on the pillow and rest and know that you're not alone. Keep telling me that grace is pumping through my veins now. Grace is pumping through my veins now. Grace is pumping through my veins now. Even if I'm broken, no, I'm not forgotten. Unqualified, but I'm already chosen. Compass inside tells me to follow the light. So I gotta stop, step back, hold up, relax, and let your grace work in me. So I gotta stop, step back, hold up, relax, reset my mind to the destiny. Then there is a voice inside that's telling me to hold on. Oh, lay your head on the pillow and rest and know that you're not alone. He keeps telling me that grace is pumping through my veins now. Grace is pumping through my veins now. Grace is pumping through my veins now. When I can't see who I ought to be, your word reflects on me, telling me that grace is pumping through my veins now.
I like what he doing right now, man. Just
Oh, I don't want
Just let it breathe for a little bit.
treasure in me.
yeah. Let me get it. Great, great. I think I'm gonna start it like this. Hey, I heard broken crayons still color, just like a spare tie can still ride. I know a broken egg is still edible, that's why God's breaking down my pride. See, I got a lot of dry bones in me, and I can't wait till the rain rains. But I command these dry bones to speak, so that grace can breathe life again. While I renounce the old man that don't understand that I'm resting in promise and working the vision. I get it, something's missing. A life of conviction's my only prescription. So now, when I listen, it's confirming and revealing health, truth, and healing way that I mentioned. Grace is pumping through my veins, so I'm on a mission to breathe and get low, horizontal to the flow. Ring us off.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, thumbs up this video if you like it and if you want to see much more. Also, the items that I use will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Until then, you guys stay sweet.